Negative feelings beyond the immediate experience are a signal that our bodies are trying to warn us, urging us to listen. It's not just about the current situation we are going through, it's about the underlying unresolved past experiences and trauma we have avoided. The work that still needs to be done, but that we are running away from. So let me explain with personal experience. In my work, I take risks. And with those risks, I am willing to accept the possibility of loss and rejection. I understand that these are the worst outcomes that could happen. Being willing to accept risks doesn't mean that it won't hurt when things go wrong, but rather that you are mentally prepared to endure the pain and move forward. Recently, I took a risk that I set my mind on. And yes, I got rejected. It hurt, as expected. But this time the pain wasn't just about the rejection itself, it was more than that. The experience triggered something deeper in me, alerting my body and mind. The best thing I did was to not respond immediately. I took a step back and gave myself a moment to process. The pain I felt wasn't because of the experience or the people behind it. It was about me and my unresolved past experiences. The real struggle is avoiding the trap of playing the victim and tormenting yourself. It's so easy and, in a way, validating to let past trauma, for me it's childhood rejection, paint myself as a powerless victim and the one who rejected me as the villain. But that's not true at all. The second struggle is taking responsibility. The victim mentality tells you, "Oh, poor me, the world is harsh and I can't do anything about it," feeding you excuses to avoid taking responsibility for making changes. And by remembering all the bad things that happen to you, you validate your victimhood. They say that playing the victim means mixing feelings of fear, inability, and despair. But it also comes with a sense of safety and habit, because it's a role we have always played and gotten used to playing. We became expert at it. So we run back to this role even if it's painful, because we are used to that pain. It's the opposite of the pain that comes with the role of responsibility, which we don't know how to play and aren't used to. Nobody taught us how to do it. You have to address the underlying issues you are facing and stop waiting for a savior. There is no such thing as someone coming to rescue you. You need to keep chasing meaning and your dreams. You need to kill the victim habit and start taking responsibility role. You won't be good at it first, obviously, but with practice you will become good at it. The formula of victim, villain, and savior is a real issue in society. It oversimplifies life complexity, making it seem like a movie where the victim gets bullied by the villain and should wait for a hero to save her. Life is full of risks. You either choose the kind of risk you are willing to endure in order to get what you want, or you let life choose for you, breaking you in different ways just because you view yourself as a victim.